Tell me how to make the resurrection rolls.
Well, you get what is that again?
I don't know. What were you telling me?
Oh, the mushrooms and
Marshmallows?
the marshmallows, and you stab the pointer in there, and you stab the fork into Jesus. Then put Jesus in the soil and stir all around his body. Then put him in the sugar and get all his body. Then you have to wrap Jesus up with a thing, and this affects that look like two. So this is two, and Jesus that stayed there in 3 days. Then they opened up the tomb and unwrap him, but Jesus was gone.
He was gone?
Yeah.
Whoa.